In this video, I'll show you how to use a Wise account without verification. Can you use a Wise account without verification? The short answer is yes, but with limitations. In this video, I'll explain what you can do without verification and when Wise will require you to verify your identity. So let's get started. When you create a Wise account, you can sign up and log into your account, explore exchange rates and fees, use currency converter, add money to your Wise balance, and receive small payments depending on your country. However, there are restrictions if your account is not verified. Wise follows strict financial regulations, so you'll need to verify your identity in these situations, such as sending money, receiving large amounts, getting a Wise debit card, and withdrawing money. Basically, to fully use Wise for international transfers, verification is required. To avoid delays or repeated verification requests, use your real name and details when signing up. Start with small transactions to see if verification is triggered, and if sending or receiving money, be ready to verify when asked. While you can create and explore a Wise account without verification, you'll eventually need to verify for most features. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Wise tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.